Hey, what's going on everybody? I'm back with another Snack Nation box. So let's crack this month's box open and see what's in there. Alright. Okay, let's give you a little preview there. Alright. Boom. Alright, first we have Paleo Protein Salted Almond Butter Protein Bar. Okay, you can see that it has 10 grams of protein. So let's go ahead and try this. But first let me show you what it looks like. See right there, it's kind of like a granola bar with a little yogurt coating right there. So it's not too bad, not too bad at all. Alright, let's give this a shot. It's actually really good. Not bad at all. I'm going to continue this, and I have a perfect granola coconut cranberry. Check that out. Got this granola bar here. So this is what it looks like. It's really soft. Has almonds in it. You can really taste the cranberries. And as you keep chewing, the coconut taste comes in. It's not bad. Alright. Next we have more granola. There you go. This is a Honey Run Granola Bear Claw Kitchen. Alright, so let's see what we have here. Now this one is resealable, so you can go ahead and eat a little bit and seal it back. So let's see. So this is what it looks like right there. Not bad. It's basically just what it says here. It's unfiltered wildflower honey brown butter glaze granola straight out of the bag. So that's cool. Alright, let's keep this going. Next up we have Belgian Boys Delias Waffle. There it is. Authentic sweet Belgian waffle with pearl sugar. Feels soft. Let's see what the taste is like. Let's see how big this is actually. So here's what you get inside. Oh, it's not bad at all. Okay, let's try this. Actually pretty good. Not bad. Alright. Next up we have two of these super berry fruit snacks. There you go. I got two of them. Acai, pomegranate, goji, and mango. The peelable portable superfruit snack made from 1 cup of fruit. Alright. So you get, here I'll show you. You get this. There you go, if you can see that right there. So you get the acai from antioxidants from acai. You get the vitamin C from the goji berries. You get potassium and fiber from the pomegranate, and you get vitamins A and B6 from the mango. Now, does that equal out to delicious? Let's find out. Okay, so you have a bunch of these right here. I gotta peel it. Oh, there you go. Not bad. While we're on the subject, let's try some Chum Fruit Bites. I think I've had these before. Maybe even in a previous box or something. These are berry. Let's give this a shot. All right. Here's what it looks like. It's a little triangle right there. Pretty cool. Not bad. All right, now let's get into the not sweet stuff. So we have Shamrock and sour cream, gluten-free potato crisps, or as we say in here in America, chips. Everybody has a different term. Nothing wrong with that. All right. See, looks like a regular chip or crisp. Tastes like one of those like kettle cooked chips with some sour cream and onion. So that ain't too bad. All right, next up, I'm gonna crack open this bag of turkey jerky. All right, let's see what this tastes like. It's teriyaki flavored. Let's see, I haven't had, I don't know if I had jerky in the previous box, I don't remember, but let's give this one a shot. So this is what turkey jerky looks like. There you go, in case you were wondering. It tastes pretty good, not bad. Not bad at all. All right, and to wrap it up, we have a natural cut beef snack stick. There you go. Right there. All right, let's see what this tastes like. So this is what the what it looks like, what the stick looks like on the inside. There you go. I'm gonna take a piece here. It's not bad. It's got a tiny bit of spice to it, which is good, like a little pepper and paprika. It's not bad. But yeah, it's a good snack stick. Not bad at all. All right, so in case you didn't know, I've been doing a lot of these snack boxes, and if you haven't watched any of the videos and you're interested, definitely check that out, and go ahead and subscribe to this channel, because I'll have more of these snack boxes, whether it's this one or Munch Pack or what have you. But I'll have more of these on the channel. I do have a Munch Pack on the way, and if you have any questions, leave a comment, and I try to respond as fast as possible. If I see the comment is vulgar or inappropriate or anything like that, obviously I'm not going to respond, or anything derogatory or negative. But if you have a question, I'll be happy to respond and help you with any questions that you might have. So enough rambling on. This is it for this video, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.